All right, so back here on the Laser, as you can see, I've gotten the compressor and the alternator moved out of the way, their brackets moved out of the way, and I was able to get the water pump housing off. We were originally thinking this was some weird square gasket that nobody had, but it's actually a giant O-ring. But of course, it's gonna take till damn near next week to get it, but we got that off, and the reason we have that off is, as you saw in the past video, the bolt for the alternator decided to say, see ya, and well, the alternator lost tension and made a bunch of noise while the boys had the car at Radwood. So I gotta drill it out. So I'm gonna work on drilling this baby out, and we're gonna get it out, hopefully saving the threads in here. If not, I'll have to put a thread serge, but we shall see. So I've drilled the bolt from the back side, and it's actually the impact part of the impact drill that I use is spinning that baby out. So I might get lucky and get that baby spun out. I've called the parts store. I've actually found the gasket, but as I've said, won't be here today. But looks like the hard part's handled. I still have to go get a bolt for it too. I was just turning this, and of course trying to do it one-handed now. I'm having trouble, but look. I got it drilled. I'll get it. Ta-da! Come on out, bitch. Bam! We saved the threads in the chingaderas. Woohoo! All right, so just to make sure, we have a bolt of the same thread. Gonna run that baby through, make sure we don't have anything jacked up. I mean, happy camper. Nice and smooth and easy. All right. Threads are good. Didn't hit any while we were drilling or anything. Perfect.